any difficulty you have, let me know. Especially the diphthongs, air and air. Air, air. One is air, one is air. They are different. Me, I can even hear the difference in my own ears. Air and air.
Air and chair.
Chair, like we did yesterday.
Yes.
When we're chairing Super Eagles. That's chair. That's the A. You do not sound it. You don't say blue. You say blue. Abi? So you should not be afraid of any word I give you. If I give you a word, just go to accessibility. And there are some S words. It's key. It's key. Look at YACHT, I think. YACHT. 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 But Oyinbo man spells it YACHT. But the pronunciation is yacht. So I've been telling you, it's not the spelling, it's the sound you get. And these are the sounds. These are the sounds. The sounds are represented like this. These are the consonant sounds. The vowels you did.